How to see who viewed your Instagram profile. Hello everyone, it's me Rag, and in many of the video tutorials here on YouTube you may have seen that people are teaching you how to see who viewed your Instagram profile. But one of the things that you have to remember is there is no any option there to see who viewed your Instagram profile. The various kind of application that the people has brought to you are the fake kind of application, so please do not use it. There may be this kind of application like who viewed my profile to IZ and InSpy profile viewers, Find Pro and all of those, but all of these are fake profile viewers. They are the fake application. You have to remember that there is no any option on how to view who have used or who you've seen your Instagram profile. Even if you move to a business account, you can get the names only to the metrics as to how many people viewed your profile, as it's strongly recommended to stay away from those apps. But if any day you would like to see how many people viewed your Instagram profile, you can just switch on to a business account, then go to your professional dashboard on your very profile there. And here you can see the option of views, in which you can see the number of people who have viewed your post and your profile. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.